Assalamu Alaikum, welcome back to English Mania, the ghost of spoken. I'm here back with you after a long time. I got a break and learned something to share with you, and now I'm back. I've learned something and that I want to share with you. So this is an announcement video about a new playlist and new look of our channel. We're going to create a playlist on mini lessons that will include a lot of lessons that are very hard, like can say what's the difference between house and home, then what's the difference between ring, phone or call. These types of difference and the main use besides the American English and the British English will be discovered in this playlist. So this is a very important announcement for you all. Hope you'll stay with us. So okay, ta-da, I love us. Please don't forget to subscribe.